Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss a new topic. Types of relationship between customer and banker. Debtor-creditor relationship. A debtor is an entity, individual, firm, company, government or other legal person that owes money to another entity, known as the creditor. When the creditor is a bank, the debtor is generally referred to as a borrower. जिस व्यक्ति या संस्था को पैसा दिया जाना है उसे लेनदार क्रेडिटर कहा जाता है। जब लेनदार एक बैंक होता है तब ऋणी को सामान्यतः उधारकर्ता बोरोवर कहा जाता है। बैंक एज डेटर। बैंक और उसके ग्राहक के बीच का प्राथमिक संबंध डेटर और क्रेडिटर का है जमा खाते के मामले में, सच एज सेविंग्स बैंक अकाउंट, करंट अकाउंट, फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट अकाउंट, recurring deposit account, etc. Here, the customer deposits money and the bank owes that money back, making the bank the debtor and the customer the creditor. Bank as creditor. When a customer borrows money from the bank, the relationship reverses to creditor and debtor. This happens in cases such as overdraft, OD, cash credit, CC, demand loan, term loan, bills discounting, any other loans or advances, secured or unsecured, etc. In these cases, the bank lends funds, making it the creditor, and the customer becomes the debtor. Bailor-Bally relationship. Bally. बैंक वह व्यक्ति या संस्था जो किसी वस्तु का अस्थायी रूप से कब्जा प्राप्त करती है, लेकिन उसका स्वामित्व, ओनरशिप नहीं लेती। बैलर ग्राहक वह व्यक्ति या संस्था जो किसी वस्तु को एक विशिष्ट उद्देश्य के लिए बायली को सौंपती है। जब कोई ग्राहक अपनी कीमती वस्तुएं जैसे बॉन्ड, सिक्योरिटीज, ज्वेलरी या दस्तावेज सुरक्षित रखने, सेफ कस्टडी के लिए बैंक में जमा करता है, तो बैंक बैली और ग्राहक बैलोर कहलाता है। उदाहरण: बैंक लॉकर सेवा, बैंक लॉकर सर्विस। कस्टमर बेलर, owner of the valuables. Example: jewelry, documents. Bank bailey, entity holding the goods for safekeeping. Purpose: the bank keeps the valuables safe in its locker and is bound to exercise reasonable care to protect them. On demand, the bank must return the items to the customer in their original condition. Key points: bailor, customer, owns the property, entrusts it to the bank for a specific purpose, safekeeping. Bailey, bank, receives and holds the property in custody, responsible for reasonable care and safe return. Purpose of bailment: safe custody of valuables with the obligation of return when demanded. Agent-principal relationship. Agent, bank, acts on behalf of the principal. Principal, customer, the party who authorizes the agent to act for them. In this relationship, bank as an agent performs certain services on behalf of the customer, the principal. The agent is expected to act in the best interest of the principal and must avoid any conflict of interest. बैंक द्वारा प्रदान की जाने वाली एजेंसी सेवाओं के उदाहरण: Examples of agency services provided by banks: चेक और बिलों की वसूली, collection of checks and bills, उपयोगिता, बिलों का भुगतान जैसे बिजली, टेलीफोन आदि, बीमा प्रीमियम का भुगतान, पेमेंट ऑफ इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम्स, कुछ मामलों में ट्रस्टी या एग्जीक्यूटर के रूप में कार्य करना, एक्टिंग एज ट्रस्टी और एग्जीक्यूटर इन सम केसेस। एजेंसी संबंध की समाप्ति, टर्मिनेशन ऑफ एजेंसी, एजेंसी का संबंध निम्नलिखित परिस्थितियों में समाप्त हो जाता है: ग्राहक की मृत्यु, डेथ ऑफ द कस्टमर, ग्राहक का दिवालियापन, इंसॉल्वेंसी ऑफ द कस्टमर, ग्राहक की मानसिक असंतुलन या पागलपन, ल्यूनेसी, लॉस ऑफ मेंटल कैपेसिटी, सौंपे गए कार्य की पूर्णता, कंप्लीशन ऑफ द असाइंड वर्क। लेसॉर, लेसी रिलेशनशिप. Lessor, bank, the owner of an asset who leases or rents it to another party. Lessee, customer, the party who hires or takes the asset on lease for use. In banking, This relationship is most commonly seen in the case of safe deposit lockers. Bank, lessor, provides lockers on a lease basis. Customer, lessee, hires the locker for safekeeping of valuables. Key features: bank acts as the lessor, owner of the locker. Customer becomes the lessee, user of the locker. In some banks, this arrangement is referred to as licensor-licensee instead of lessor-lessee. Bank is not liable for any loss to the lessee's valuables stored in the locker, except when such loss arises due to the bank's negligence. Assigner-assignee relationship. Assignor, customer, the person who transfers rights or powers, such as property rights, receivables, or claims, to another party. Assignee, bank, the person or entity to whom these rights or powers are transferred. In banking context, when a customer takes a loan against a life insurance policy, book debts, or supply bills, the customer, assigner, transfers the rights in these assets to the bank, assignee. This transfer of rights, known as assignment, serves as security for the loan. For example, a contractor who undertakes public works for the government may obtain a loan from a bank by assigning supply bills in favor of the bank. Similarly, loans against insurance policies or receivables involve the assignment of such claims to the bank. Mortgagor-mortgagee relationship. A mortgage is a legal arrangement where a borrower pledges property as security for a loan. The borrower is called the mortgagor, and the lender, such as a bank, is called the mortgagee. Mortgagor, borrower. Role: the borrower who takes a loan and offers their property as collateral. Obligation: to repay the loan, principal plus interest, as per the mortgage agreement. Rights: retains possession of the property during the loan period. Has the right of redemption, that is, to reclaim full ownership of the property after repaying the loan in full. Mortgagee, lender, bank. Role: the financial institution or individual that provides the loan. Rights: holds a legal interest, lien, in the property until the loan is repaid. Has the right to foreclose, take possession and sell the property if the mortgagor defaults. Obligation: to provide the loan amount and maintain transparency by clarifying terms of the mortgage. How they work together: a mortgage deed is executed, outlining the terms and conditions of the loan and security arrangement. The mortgagor promises to repay the loan, while the property serves as security for the lender. If the loan is repaid, the mortgage ends, and the mortgagor retains complete ownership. If the loan is not repaid, the mortgagee can enforce the security and recover dues. Trustee-beneficiary relationship. Trustee: an individual or institution responsible for managing property, funds, or valuables on behalf of another party. A trustee is legally bound to act prudently and in the best interest of the beneficiary. Beneficiary: the person who enjoys the benefit or profits from the actions and decisions of the trustee. This relationship is based on trust and fiduciary responsibility, where the trustee is accountable for proper use, safekeeping, and return of the entrusted assets. Banking context. Deposits for a specific purpose. Trustee, bank. Beneficiary, customer. Example: when a customer deposits funds for a specific purpose, the bank must use those funds strictly for that purpose. In case collection of checks. When a customer hands over a check for collection, bank equals trustee, customer equals beneficiary. After realization and crediting to the customer's account, the relationship shifts to debtor-creditor. Safe custody of valuable securities. When customers deposit securities or valuables for safekeeping, bank equals trustee, customer equals beneficiary. Bank must return the securities valuables intact on demand. Corporate trusts, debenture trusteeship. When companies issue debentures to the public, banks may act as trustees for debenture holders. Here, the bank must review and supervise the assets of the company. ensure that debenture holders' interests are protected. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.